Wow, we are here looking at multiplication of set. Now, when we talk about multiplication of set, it's also under operation of set. Already you have looked at how to add and subtract set. The same way we linked the addition and subtraction of set to algebraic expression is the same way that we are going to link this one to algebraic expression. How you multiply is the same thing here. Now, in this case, let's look at this example on the board. Simplify 2 over 3 root 45. Let's see how you can do this. Then after that, you multiply the fraction here by the set. So if you want to solve a question like this, we have 2 over 3 root what? 45. Now, we have to get two numbers to multiply here to get 45. So what number times one number will give you 45? That is 9 times 5, right? Okay. So here is going to be 2 over 3 root of 9 times 5. So that you have 2 over 3. Remember this one like this means it's multiplying, okay? Root 9 times root 5. So looking at this, we have 2 over 3. Root 9 is 3 times root 5. So these 3 go into its of 1, leaving 2 times root 5. So the answer will be 2 root what? 5. So this is how we simplify a question like this. Now let's look at our second example. Root 18 times root 20. So here we have two ways of doing this, okay? So let's look at the first way. So let's look at this method. Method 1 of doing this. You know, root 18 is the same as 9 times 2. You know, root 20 is the same as 4 times 5. 4, 5 is 29 times 2 is 18. Now, if you look at this one can also be written as 9 times root what? 2 times root 4 times root 5. So now root 9 here is 3 root 2 times root 4 here is 2 root 5. But remember, with one of the properties I showed you that when you are multiplying like this, like if I have A multiplying B times C multiplying D, this A will multiply the C and the inside one will also multiply BD. Is that okay? So that's what we are going to do here. So 3 will multiply these 2, that will give you 6. 2 will multiply the 5, that will give you what? 10. Is that okay? That's one method. You can also use this method. You can also use, we have root 18 times root 20. So straight away, I'll multiply this by this, okay? If I multiply this by this, even forget about the 0. 2 times 18 is 36. Then add the 0, that's 360. So we know that this 360 can be written as 36 times 10. 36 times 10 will give you what? 360. So in this case, you can have 36 here times root of what? 10 here. Now what is root 36? Is 6 times root 10. 6 root 10. So you see this and that are the same. So you have a lot of ways of solving it. Now let's move to the next example. we have to simplify root 2 bracket open, root 3 plus root 5. I hope everybody can simplify this. B plus C. So if you want to simplify something like this A will multiply the B at the same time, multiply the C, so that I have AB plus AC. Is that okay? So that is how we simplify. So the same thing that you are going to do here. This is root of 2 multiplying root of 3 plus root of 5. Is that okay? So looking at this one, this root 2 will multiply this at the same time, multiply this. So here, the root 2 multiplying this will be root of 2 times 3. Or let me take it one at a time. So you have root 2 times root 3 plus root 2 times root 5. Is that okay? Now root 2 times root 3 will be 2 times 3. Root 2 times root 5 will be 2 times 5. This will give you 6. This will give you 10. For this one, you can't do anything about it again. So this is a simplified form. Is that okay? Let's look at example 4. Now, you have to multiply 2 plus root 3 in one bracket, 5 minus 4 root 3, okay? But before I start, let's look at this. A plus B, A minus C. If you want to multiply something like this, first thing, you take this A, then you multiply by the whole of this, so A minus C. Then come and take this B, then you multiply by the whole of this again, A minus C. Is that okay? Now, A times A is A squared. A times negative C will be AC. B times A is AB. When you are multiplying, make sure that, like when you are reciting the alphabet, A comes before B, so don't say BA. Minus B times C will be what? BC. So this is how it will look like in terms of the expansion. So let's apply the same concept to this question. Means that when I take these two, this is the question, 2 root 3, 5, 4 root 3. So when I take the 2, I'll multiply to the whole of this, which is 5 minus 4 root 3. When I take the square root of 3, I'm going to multiply by 5 minus 4 root 3. Is that okay? Good. Now, these 2 multiplied by 5, you get 10. 2 multiplied by 4, you get 8 root 3. Then root 3 multiplied by 5, we have 5 root 3. Because the 5 cannot enter the root, so we have to come here. Root 3 multiplied by this. Already this is 1, so 1 times 4 will be 4. Then root 3 times root 3 will be root of 3 squared. So in this case, we are going to have 10. Now this and that are like 10, so I can put it together. By adding negative 8 to 5, that will give me, or let me write it, 8 plus 5 root 3 minus 4. This cancelling this, we have 3. Is that okay? Now here, negative 8 plus 5 will give you negative 3. So you have 10 minus 3 root 3 minus 12. So that you have 10 minus 12 minus 3 root 3. 10 minus 12 is negative 2 minus 3 root 3. So you can factorize the negative out, leaving 2 plus 3 root 3. So this becomes our final answer to this question. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to look at the next topic. So make sure that after watching this and understanding it, you move to the next topic.